When stacking and destacking, it is important to do so safely and correctly, following best practice at all times. The following demonstrates the process to follow when stacking and destacking. Throughout this process, you should ensure that after each step you put the handbrake on and carry out 360-degree observations before moving on. Destacking. First, start by approaching the racking and stop 6 inches from the beam. Use your controls to remove back tilt. Then raise the forks up to the necessary height and confirm the forks are level. Next, drive in until the truck's wheels are just before the racking, ensuring the forks do not catch or foul on the pallet, load or racking, and start to enter in smoothly, until the fork heels kiss the pallet. Raise the forks slightly until the load clears the beam, and then add sufficient back tilt to cater for the load. Put the truck in gear first until the pallet is clear of the racking. Finally, lower the load before moving off in the safe travel position. Stacking. As with the destacking process, remember to put the handbrake on and carry out 360-degree observations after each step. Approach the racking, stopping 6 inches from the beam. Remove back tilt. Raise the load until it is clear of the beam it is to be deposited in. Drive forward until the truck's wheels are just before the racking, making sure the load enters the location without contacting the top, bottom, or anything to the sides. Lower the load onto the beam, ensuring that there is about a 2-inch overhang on the front. Continue lowering until the forks are not in contact with the load. Reverse out until your forks are fully clear of the pallet. Finally, apply back tilt and lower the forks down to the travel position before moving off.